Welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we're going to be using clinometer to measure very difficult and unobtainable heights. To measure. Let's take a look at an example. Tree farmers use a clinometer to measure the angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight to the top of the tree. They measure the distance to the base of the tree. How can they use the tangent ratio to calculate the height of the tree? So here's the tree, and here is one of your classmates using the clinometer to measure the angle between the horizontal and the top of the tree. What do I mean by this? The angle that this lady is measuring, it is the angle right here. However, this angle that she's measuring is not the same angle as depicted in the picture. Let's increase the picture size to show you this angle. The picture that this girl has in the clinometer is 40 degrees. But in fact, the angle that is perceived here is not 40 degrees. It's actually 90 minus 40 degrees, which is 50 degrees. It's very important that you know this. It is really 50 degrees, 90 minus 40, or complement of this angle. So whenever you're going to be using a clinometer, the angle that you're seeing is actually the difference between 90 and the angle that you're seeing. So let's get back to the picture. So now we have this 50 degrees, a right angle. If we knew the distance from the eye to the tree, such as you can walk it or you can measure with tape, we can find the height of this part of the tree. We could find this height. So let's say I'll give you an arbitrary value of 10 meters as the distance from the eye to the tree. Let's use a trig ratio to find this height. So we know that tan of this angle 50 is equivalent to opposite of adjacent. Again, this height of the trees are unknown, so it's opposite, and the distance from the eye to the tree is 10. So again, we're looking for the opposite side. Again, we would cross multiply, and we would get 10 tan 50 is equal to our height of the tree, or the opposite side of the tree. This is our opposite side from the eye, or from the 50-degree angle. Using your calculator, and make sure you are in degree mode. Our value for this height of the tree is 11.9 meters. We're not done yet. We still have to know one missing part. We don't know what this height of the tree is. We don't know this part. It's a different height. This height we would measure from, in this case, the eye of the person to the ground. You would just measure yourself. So suppose this girl is from the eyes to the ground is approximately 1 meter and 60 or 1.6 meters. You would take that value and add it to 11.9 to find the total height of the tree. And we would get 13.5 meters is the total height of the tree.